Welcome to our new video. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making rapid advancements in recent years, and one of its most impressive breakthroughs is the development of large language models such as ChatGPT. These models have the ability to generate human-like text and have been a game changer for various industries, including system design. In this video, we will take a closer look at ChatGPT and how it is revolutionizing system design. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It was trained on a massive dataset of over 40 GB of text and has the ability to generate human-like text in response to prompts. ChatGPT is based on the transformer architecture, which is a deep learning model that uses self-attention mechanisms to process input data. This allows the model to effectively capture long-range dependencies in the text and generate more accurate and coherent responses. How ChatGPT is transforming system design. ChatGPT has numerous applications in system design, and its impact can be seen in various domains such as customer service, language translation, and content generation. Some of the ways ChatGPT is transforming system design are: automated customer service. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer service systems to provide instant responses to customer inquiries. This not only improves the efficiency of the customer service process, but also enhances the overall customer experience. The model can also be trained to handle specific domains such as finance, e-commerce, and healthcare, which makes it a valuable tool for businesses across various industries. Improved translation. ChatGPT has been used to develop language translation systems that can accurately translate text from one language to another. The model's ability to understand the context and generate coherent responses makes it an ideal solution for improving the accuracy of language translation systems. This not only helps businesses reach a wider audience, but also promotes cross-cultural communication and understanding. Content generation. ChatGPT has been used to generate various types of content such as articles, poems, and even code. The model's ability to generate high-quality content in response to a prompt has made it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals in the content creation industry. This not only saves time and effort, but also allows for the creation of unique and engaging content. Enhanced natural language processing. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of text data, which has allowed it to develop a deep understanding of natural language. This makes it a valuable tool for natural language processing tasks such as sentiment analysis, summarization, and question answering. The model's ability to accurately process and generate text has made it a game changer for the NLP industry. Conclusion. ChatGPT has been a game changer for system design and has revolutionized various industries. Its ability to generate human-like text, understand context, and perform various NLP tasks has made it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of ChatGPT in the future. And that's it for today's video on ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on the latest in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.